Warm hot take. I don't really like how many skins we're getting in Dandy's world. Like, I love them OFC, but it's been out for 2 years now and we currently have 226 skins. That's kinda crazy considering we only have 39 tunes, not counting Dial and Dandy. And the next update is literally more skins in Dune 2026. I just wish we had more gameplay updates or bug fixes. And it's not Quell's fault that skins are a here you go for now in place for bigger updates each month. But also about the updates, it's once a month unless it's an event where we get more skins. But in the end, at least Quell cares about her game enough to update it and spend lots of time on it with her team. Anyway, what do y'all think? Alien out?